Hi, this is Julia from Fashion Pulse Daily for Style Coalition. I'm here backstage at Aaron Wasson for RVCA with the lovely Charlotte Tiller and Lily Donaldson. We're getting some makeup done by Maybelline. Charlotte, could you tell us a little bit about your inspiration for the makeup from, I guess, eyes to cheeks and lips?
Absolutely, I can. I am using the Dream Liquid Mousse to achieve a tan. And on top of that, I'll use the mineral powder in different shades to get sort of a ruffled up look. On the eyes, I'm going to put a dark brown that I'll extend, smoky, a bit rough, not too perfect. It's a girl who's been out in the desert and got a lot of stuff going on. And she's having a blush near the eye that is a bit plum to get, it looks like she's a bit sun-kissed. And the lip is the plum as well, from the Color Sensational.
Yeah, I love that collection. It's just, the pigments are beautiful and it's just so rich.
And on top of that, I'll dab on a little bit of mineral powder so it gets to look quite natural.
Beautiful. And so did you have inspiration from the hair, the clothes? What kind of made you decide to go with this color palette?
It's Aaron's description of the girl who is out in the desert and has been wandering around all day, you know, with a bit too much heat and too much dust and not looking perfect anymore, you know, and we agreed to do this, you know, so it was kind of exciting.
Well, it looks beautiful. I'm really excited for the show, and thank you so much.
You're welcome.